Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to recover your site URL if you accidentally change your site URL. So this is my personal website, as you can see. Now I'm gonna show you how to do all these procedures. Suppose I change my site URL accidentally. Like this, and this is the site address. Now save changes. Boom, I can't access in my website, and here is my website, just cracked. So how to recover this website? You don't need to talk with your service provider. You can solve this problem by yourself. Just wait and watch. Select all, then search with your site URL name. Changed site URL name. Then find that in WP options. Edit this right here, which was before. Okay, then go. Then next one, edit right here, the previous one. Then click on go. One row affected. That means our work is done. Now go to your URL. Boom. Your site URL is recovered. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, write in comment box. Thank you.